UTrading is reaching a new level. The bot can now trade directly on decentralized exchanges, DEX. This is not just a new feature, but a major transition from centralized exchanges to decentralized trading. The first supported DEX is Uniswap, which operates on the Ethereum blockchain, where the bot trades the Ultima/USDT pair. Unlike centralized exchanges, Uniswap has no traditional order book or intermediaries. Trades are executed automatically through liquidity pools directly on the blockchain. Getting started takes just a few minutes, and after that, the bot interacts with the liquidity pool on its own and trades 24/7 while you focus on other things. You always remain in control of your funds. Withdrawals can only be made to the wallet that was used to activate the bot. In this guide, we'll show you how to make the transition. First, you'll stop your bots on your current exchange, and then you'll activate your bot on Uniswap using your UWallet. No separate registration on Uniswap is required. The entire process takes place through the UTrading website and your UWallet. Step 1. Stop your current bots, open the dashboard, where you will see your current performance values. Please note that you can add a bot to a DEX regardless of your current performance level. Open the My Turbo Bot section and stop any bots that are currently trading on centralized exchanges. Also, cancel any limit orders that remain open on the exchange. Step 2. Activate the bot on the DEX. Choose the bot that best suits your needs and add it. During the activation process, select Uniswap. After that, the wallet connection page will open. Proceed to it. Step 3. Connect your UWallet. Click the Connect Wallet button on the connection page, scan the QR code using the UWallet app, and confirm the connection. Please note that the connection remains active for 7 days. Once this period expires, reconnect your wallet. Step 4. Specify the trading amount after connecting your wallet. You will see the balance of the connected wallet in USDT on the same page. Enter the amount that the bot will use for trading. Follow the minimum and maximum trading amounts displayed below. Step 5. Top up your fee balance. Now let's talk about the fee balance. This is a separate balance used to pay network fees for each transaction. Whenever the bot executes a transaction on the Ethereum network, the transaction fee is deducted from the fee balance, not from your trading balance. These are two separate balances. Topping up the fee balance also requires confirming transactions in the UWallet app. See the next step for details. Step 6. Confirm the activation. Since the funds in your wallet belong to you, not the platform, the smart contract cannot move them without your permission. For each amount you transfer to the smart contract, you first need to give approval, approve, then confirm the transfer itself. The activation process takes some time and may require up to 4 confirmations in the UWallet app. Confirm each request as it appears. This applies not only to activation. Anytime you top up your balance, all transactions must be confirmed in UWallet. Each request will appear both in a pop-up on the website and in the UWallet app. Confirm them one by one without closing the page. Note that while confirmation in the app happens quickly, the pop-up on the website may remain on screen for a moment longer. This is normal. Wait for the next request to appear in the app and confirm it. The process is not instantaneous. There may be pauses between transactions, so please be patient. If you are given a choice of transaction speed during confirmation, always select high speed. This ensures faster processing. After each transaction is submitted, its hash is displayed on the website. Click it to view the details in Etherscan. After all transactions are confirmed, allow a moment for processing. Speed depends on Ethereum network load. Balances do not update instantly. Both when topping up and when withdrawing, there may be a delay of 1 to several minutes. Do not close the page, and don't worry if the result doesn't appear right away. All done. The bot has been switched to DEX and is now trading on Uniswap. 2 final reminders. Store your wallet's mnemonic phrase in a safe place. Without it, you will not be able to recover your wallet. And remember, withdrawals are only possible to the wallet used to activate the bot. Happy trading!